Hi, hi, my name is Anju and this is Pia. Welcome to Sister Super Surprises. Today we are going to be making elastic bracelets, and this is one I made before. You can make lots of them, different kinds. This is an example with beads. You can make some with lockets, like a choker, bracelets, friendship bracelets or regular, and rings. Mm-hmm. So now I'll tell you the things we'll need for this thing today. So today we're going to use a box of special elastics. She got them from Santa. Yes, and we're also gonna need S. Mm-hmm. And then we'll also need different types of beads, and you'll need a loom and some Play-Doh. So to make the loom, you have to use 2 pencils and 1 eraser, and then just put both of the pencils beside the eraser and then tape it together. And you want to have the Play-Doh to keep your loom staying up. Or somebody can hold it for you. Yes, or somebody can hold it for you. And I like using I used a container so my beads don't go everywhere. A substitute for a loom, for this kind of loom, is you can use your 2 fingers, or you can use a loom that will come and make it. Now we're going to put elastics through the beads. First, I like doing this. I'm going to put glue through the pink. I'm going to show you how to do it. You want to pinch the blue elastic so it's small and make it fit through the elastic. Just like that. And then see? I think at the end, I like covering it like a little, it kind of looks like a little smudge. Now you're going to keep on doing that. And you can choose any color to do it. So, here, because I'm using bright colors, I'm using dark elastic, so my beads pop. So, you want to finish all of these, and then we can start getting into the bracelet. Now you're going to take another one with no beading. You're just going to twist it. I'm using black, and then you're going to put it on the loom, but do it low. And then after, I'm going to put my pin. Now I'm going to take the black and I'm going to put it over the top of the pencil. But you don't want to go over the pink. Like that. Pull it down. And take another pink. Hold it. Put it on. And now we're going to over, and they're going to do it like this. Like this. You have to keep pushing. Oops, sorry. You have to keep pushing them down so that it doesn't push off. When I saw all my colors, I realized that it was traffic lights, and I decided to put it in the order of when you look at a traffic light, it's red, yellow, green. So I'm doing. I like beading because, well, it's something. I like it because I have something to be proud of, and I like it because it's fun for me. Because when I learn a new thing, every time I do something, I try something different. One of my friends taught me how to do this. In our family, we love it when it snows. How come last year it didn't snow, and this year it didn't snow? Why can't it snow? Why? Because of global warming. Global warming. Yes, global. So this is my finishing bracelet, and now we're going to put an elastic with no bead on. Just like normal. You don't have to twist it. Put that on and do the last fold. The same thing you did on the other side. Take it, put it over the top like that. There. This is mine. Now, to put the S cup on, you are going to take the little part. You're just going to hook it on like that. You're going to take it off, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And you're going to hook on the other side. You just need to pull it like that. So do you have to get both strings in, or just one string?
Both strings.
And now I made my bracelet. You might want to go up for this part. And now this is our finished bracelet. I hope you like this video. Bye. See you next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye. Bye. See you next time.